You want to talk about a car that changed the world? Forget supercars, forget luxury. Let me tell you about the Ford Model T, the car that put America on wheels and changed human civilization forever. It's 1908. Most people have never even sat in a car. Automobiles are expensive toys for the wealthy. They're hand-built, unreliable, and cost more than most people earn in years. Then, Henry Ford has a vision. He says, "I'm going to build a car for the great multitude, a car so affordable that every working man can own one." People thought he was crazy, but on October 1st, 1908, the first Model T rolls off the line. And it's brilliant in its simplicity. No fancy features, no luxury, just a tough, reliable, practical machine that anyone can drive and anyone can fix. The genius wasn't just the car, it was how Ford built it. In 1913, he introduces the moving assembly line to automobile production. Revolutionary. Instead of workers moving around the car moves past the workers. Each person does one specific task, over and over. It's faster, it's cheaper, it's efficient. The results? Incredible. In 1908, a Model T cost $850. By 1925, through mass production, Ford had dropped the price to just $260. That's cheaper than some horses cost back then. Suddenly, the average family could afford a car. Farmers could afford a car. Everyone could afford a car. And they bought them by the millions. Between 1908 and 1927, Ford sold over 15 million Model Ts. 15 million! It was the first car to sell over 1 million units, the first true people's car. For years, more than half of all cars on American roads were Model Ts. Henry Ford famously said, "Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants so long as it is black." And that wasn't a joke. Black paint dried faster than other colors, which meant faster production. Everything was about efficiency. The Model T wasn't fast. Top speed was around 40 to 45 miles per hour. It wasn't comfortable. The ride was rough and noisy. It wasn't sophisticated. It had a simple 20-horsepower four-cylinder engine and a two-speed planetary transmission that took practice to master. But it was tough, incredibly tough. High ground clearance meant it could handle terrible rural roads. Simple mechanics meant farmers could fix it themselves with basic tools. It ran on gasoline, kerosene, or ethanol. It was practically indestructible. The Model T changed everything. It created the American road trip. It demanded better roads, so governments started paving highways. It sparked the growth of suburbs because people could live farther from work. It created entire industries, gas stations, auto repair shops, motels, roadside diners. It even changed the American economy. Ford paid his workers $5 a day, double the average wage, because he wanted them to afford the cars they were building. This created the American middle class. Workers became consumers. Production ended in 1927. By then, the Model T was outdated. Competitors offered more style, more comfort, more features, but its legacy? Untouchable. The Ford Model T. Not the fastest car, not the prettiest car, but the most important car ever built. The car that took humanity from the horse and carriage into the modern age. The car that proved transportation wasn't just for the rich, it was for everyone.